Today I'm going to show you how to make a blueberry loaf cake. For the cake you will need 175 grams of self-raising flour, 175 grams of caster sugar, 175 grams of margarine or butter, 3 eggs and 175 grams of blueberries frozen. You can use fresh, but I prefer frozen. To a bowl with your margarine or butter, add your caster sugar and mix until well combined and creamy. Then add your eggs and give it a really good mix until well combined. Then add your flour and mix until you have a nice batter formed. And then add your blueberries and give these a mix until well distributed. Then to a 2-pound loaf tin, you want to grease and line it with baking paper and simply put your cake mixture into your loaf tin, levelling out the top. Then pop this into a preheated oven at gas mark 4, 180 degrees centigrade or 160 fan assisted for 50 minutes to an hour or until a skewer comes out clean. And then for your icing you will need 100 grams of icing sugar and a tablespoon of milk. To your icing sugar add your milk, give it a really good mix until well combined and the mixture should coat the back of a spoon. Then while your cake is still warm, you want to spread the icing on top. I do this while it's still warm because it makes it easier to spread the icing, but you can do it while the cake is cold, it will be slightly tougher to spread the icing. And there you have it. That's how you make a blueberry loaf cake.